Now this is the bottom center of the moon, the very, very bottom, the outer limits as we're coming up here panning. How can the craters be all round? Why aren't some of them cone-shaped? You mean to tell me every projectile, every piece that hit the moon at any given time was round? Or is it a natural phenomenon that the cone shapes recede and the end comes in and you could only see the round? That could be too. It would have to be over a long period of time because there's no atmosphere or air in space, they say. And now at this zoom level, we're starting to see the surface more in detail, meaning that we know um, it doesn't just look flat. From a certain distance, the level setting before it looks flat. You can see structures from far, but you can't really see the detail or the height of them. And now as we're zooming in at this level, we can see the difference in the mountains and more of the terrain on the moon, a lot clearer in greater detail. Now, this interesting area is just over Copernicus crater. And you see the white spot there. It comes out sort of like a tunnel light comes out of the round white spot. Over to the right, you have a path, two paths meeting up that lead up towards the left there. Lights, various lights situated in and around the area. Looks like a sort of canyon. To the left, you have the Ocean of Storms, if you guys ever want to locate this area. So to the left, the Ocean of Storms. To the right, this area, white object is here. Just over, the object is just over Copernicus crater. So overhead of the site of the Apollo 15 moon landing site, crater here at the end of the mountain range here is Eratosthenes crater. We're gently panning over to Copernicus crater. The beginning, we also did pan over Archimedes crater. And over Mare Frigoris, we're on our way past the sinus cindum cavity, Mare Imbrium, the big gray area here, bottom Archimedes crater, panning over towards Eratosthenes crater, and once again Copernicus crater. If we were to pan completely left again, we would cross over to Mare Nubium. And here just over the object is just over Copernicus crater. Very interesting object here, structure. I'm almost positive. There's a lot going on. Look closely. All the pathways or tunnels that are leaving that area. And here we see the sinus iridum, that little check here, that little piece like apple bite out is the sinus. To the left, mare imbrium. If there were other civilizations on other planets, what would be the most obvious and realistic thing we could assume they would be doing if they were visiting planets? They would probably be mining for anything they would need to create their own energy, or to use anything. For example, on the moon they could be extracting titanium. The surface of the moon consists mostly of titanium. You know, it was also said and proven that it's not proven, but it was proven that a NASA person did say this, that titanium that's on the moon has had to have been brought there over a long period of time somehow. The difference in temperature on the moon, minus 275 degrees Fahrenheit and plus 275 degrees Fahrenheit. There's a big difference. You have no choice but to have tunnels in the moon. If you want to be there for more than 24 hours, you have to have a tunnel system to be able to remain there. If not, all you can do is land, take off, land, take off. Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. I'm Bruce Sees All on Google Plus, or on Facebook, Bruce Sees All Schwartz.